ready. I was channeling the sloth from. You go to hell. You go to hell. You die. Don't. Amanda says don't use electricity. Thanks. Nice. Over there. Come on.
Riku, what is the summoner's sanctum?
Son of a bitch. Tony,
The summoner's
you just
sanctum.
spanked that ass. I don't know. He didn't tell me. He just said he had a special monster for us to fight since we caught all the monsters in the column.
So be it.
So be it. Nice. Moist. Like a boss. Like an absolute boss. We've garnered several follows. Stop whacking people, Oren, you dickbag. Man, I hope we got everyone in it.
The city of Bavel is built on the water. There may be under.
Almost ready for Bliss Ball? Thanks, David.
You or Riku should study your magic.
Huh. Riku's almost done. Where am I gonna send her next? I'm like really concerned about this. Cause I got. Yo, Cody, what up, man? How you doing, boo? Happy Monday. Happy Monday, Cody. I'm lost. I better sit still. And like everybody does that. And, like nobody's out looking for anybody. Like everyone would just like sit there and die waiting. Is this one orange? A fire drake lands in front of you, Kevin McLeod, it roars. Kamari's catching up with Titus. I'd Kamari go down the Titus path. Hope everyone's having a great day. Mondays aren't so bad. This one's already almost first round. I'm trying to figure out who my next strongest. Probably, I think Ixion's my favorite.
I wanted to confront Maester
You
Seymour
guys gotta do
about
like
his father,
the
Lord
newer
Driscoll.
Mario games and stuff, where you
I
can
wanted
do
to convince him to
where
turn
you can do
himself
Mario
in
multiplayer.
to Yevon's
You know, like
judgment.
one of you. What's the one? Seymour.
What happened here?
Ian Knoxbot's not working today.
What have I done?
I'm sorry.
Wait a minute, it's not our fault at all.
Totodil's like. Totodil's like the water starter that I chose. Like sometimes I choose Squirtle. Comes with 2 controllers. Do you have enough vibes, Amanda? I don't remember if I got Yuna in there. I don't think I did. like, I had the itch to play this, but I didn't really feel like streaming. I slept most of the day. So I got on and I grinded a little bit, and I got a plan. Ow, Titus. Oh god, that's hot. That's hot. Look how many levels everybody's got right now, dude. Yeah, there we go. Essentially. Pickle's a dude. He should know this shit, right? He didn't have to use a stud finder. He didn't have to use a stud finder. We're gonna go meet Uncle Sid. I wanted to start streaming on Facebook first, but looks like I'm gonna have to do TikTok first. Crazy, thousands easier to get to there than when I follow you. That is not super. What letter are we on? G. Okay, gag face. We still don't have Yuna in the party? What the shit? You can use a friend sphere, friend or teleport. Oh, that's true. I forgot about that. Well, I'll worry about that in a bit. There we go. Leroy. Love that. I love the animation for that more than I love it. No, I love it as much as I love the animation for it. It's amazing. Because I did. Did I start Darth Potter? I think I might have started Darth Potter, but I didn't get very far. I did like a good Gryffindor playthrough, but I wanted to do like an evil Slytherin playthrough.
No.
I just turned it off and on again. When you fight his boys, make sure you lance at them so you can't, because they give you investigative. I realize I'm out of dabs. It's a fucking sad day. Where's Kimari at? Oh, Kimari deuced out for some reason. But with a different formation. Auto, whoa! 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 1K?
Where's the bad guy, right? We'll just
I want
to.
I want to get ultimate weapons. I want to be just OP as
That easy.
Will.
Let's get out of here.
JC, thank you for the like, man. I've sit the wrong way. I totally went backwards. Plot stuff. Oh, sweet. We gotta fight one of these at least. Enough. I think that's my favorite. Got him. Got him.
Love you.
Just gonna go.
Just one thing.
What is I just buried it with that, so which is fine. Use it, but damn. Cooldown for getting all the monsters in the Calmlands. Matt, thank you for the like, man. Let's go, bro. I might need to glue that a little better. I had a lot of fun printing this one. I had even more fun painting it. Adventure. I'm not exactly sure what it does, but hopefully it helps. Yeah, it'll help.
We've fallen a long way.
I don't do none of that. I don't do none of that. You gotta be here bullshit. I don't do none of that. You gotta be here to win bullshit. Yeah, I paid. I am excellent playing one of my favorite games. I love babies. I had 3 children myself. I'm super glad that we're done, but I still love babies. Such a dick. Special skill, armor break. There we go.